If you want to be a successful swing trader, one simple rule which you should remember is never to buy a stock which is up 2 days in a row. If a stock is up 2 days in a row, and if it is up 6, 7, 8, 10% in 2 days, and you buy it on a third day, the swing has already started. Most common swings last for 10 to 20% moves. If you are trying to buy it on a third day, you are not going to make money. Similarly, if you want to short something, short it at the beginning of a swing. You short it on third day, you are not going to make money. The reason why many people break this rule is because they're looking for support, resistance, or like levels. And by the time the stock reaches that level, it might be up 2 or 3 days in a row. If you look at any stock which makes a move, if you enter it at the beginning of the swing, you're going to make money. If you want to enter, say, a stock like this at the beginning of the swing, you're going to make money. You buy it on third day, fourth day, you're not going to make money. Okay? So always remember, buy on the start of a swing. When it is up 2 or 3 days, 2 days, third days you try and buy, you're not going to make money. And you can study hundreds of examples of this. And if you buy it at the right time, you'll make money. You buy it here, you're not going to make money. Same thing for shorting. If you're going to be shorting something, and if it is already down 2 or 3 days in a row, and you try and short it, you're going to find it very difficult to make money. So simplest rule which I have is never buy a stock which is up 2 days in a row. Never short sell a stock which is down 2 days in a row. Always buy on the first day of a swing, and that too as early as possible on the first day of a swing. Or if you want to short on the first day of a start of a swing to the downside. If you can only follow this one single rule, you will be very successful in swing trading. Never buy a stock which is up 2 days in a row, and never short sell a stock which is down 2 days in a row. That is if you want to improve the probability of your trade working.